My man.
Ogan, how far?
Big man.
Oh, why I be now? Long time.
Boy, they loyal.
Well, this guy just they give me issue. For almost 2 days now. This guy just they give me issue. I don't know. See what he go do for me, eh? You are going to check the brake. That brake not my main problem. Then change this oil. The oil don't too dirty.
I know.
Over 2 months now, never change them. So change the oil. Yeah.
Okay.
I won't reach back here. This restaurant over there.
Nah,
eat. No, man. You know how the thing they be now. No, I beg. I need a nice job. No pay me. No issue. Later.
Oh boy. Fertilizer. Yeah, this one for work go again. You don't see wahala sef. Fertilizer.
Problem. No go leave customer. They pack customer bring come.
Fertilizer. Don't
Okay.
Come when I just like you, my oga dey come here, I dey listen to am fast. My boy, they dey even hey, see that my customer will come like this.
Okay, that's senior man.
Now like this now, we'll chop this money. You need a knack back. And the knack back, the hungry come, move, change you, all your service and nah. Okay, they do they waste time. Go do am.
More change the oil, just the oil.
They do I won't go peace like this.
No I don't like this thing what oga dey do. See, from another customer, he don't call another one. Never finish that one, he don't bring another one. Every time, problem. Keep that one.
He dey smoke Igbo.
This man, how you drive yo? They drive car, you know they check am. Kind bad life people they live there. So I smoke they smell. Just say nothing they burn inside.
Okay.
All these customers, they know just off car.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
This watch, oh. This car sharp, oh man, oh. Jesus. Oh man, see all this big man car, oh. Yeah. Where is it? Jesus. How manage? Let's say this man don't go forgetting on you. This man is just one whole body now. Nothing what I don't get from this work. Where God they say.
Okay.
Let's use this one whole body. You see something for this work. Sure, God? You see something. I don't see who go buy this oil now. Man, is the money whole body.
Okay.
Ah God. I will bring person will go buy this thing. I don't want to carry this thing back today.
Hello, Commander. Yeah, I'm coming to the office right away. Let me just check my car.
I buy this now. Very cheap.
Wait, is that not castor oil?
Yes, this is castor oil.
This is one of the best oil in town at the moment. So.
Yes. This oil now, you can use to power your generator.
Yeah.
Both those heavy engines, anything, both grinding.
It's what I even use for my car. It's one of the best oil in town.
I love that. It has gone viral.
Let me see the
it's
flyer.
Just coming out new. This is a new flyer.
Okay.
You can get it from 97.
I can see it.
Just read them.
So do you sell? Are you a marketer of the product?
Yes, I do retailing, sir.
Okay, how much can I get this one?
Okay, just give me 1.5.
1.5.
If you give me 1.5.
Wow. It's really cheap.
Yes,
that's one I bought the other day.
I'm money in your pocket. I love selling cheap.
Say 1.5, eh?
If you can give me 1.5.
Yeah, we realize this. The earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be.
Hey, Oga, thank you. This is 1.5.
Yeah.
It's normal with this oil now. You can do many things.
I know. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Just tell people that if you want to buy in bulk, check there too. Is there.
Manager, are you? Hope you have finished the car. Okay, let me see what you've done so far. Close the book. Close the bonnet.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh man, you've done a nice job.
I swear.
Where is this man? Where the oil I keep here now?
Okay, I don't sell you.
I keep oil for here before I go
Do wetin I go this thing.
I don't understand.
It's like if you are joking with me. Who walk this car?
Oga, na
God
my
have
boy
mercy
work
upon us.
Your boy walk this car. Call him for me.
Fertilizer, where the Oga, what's that nonsense? Fertilizer, call him for me. Fertilizer.
Smoke Igbo.
Okay. Hey, can you be back? If you move back in, come back here.
You. Come.
How are you, my boy?
Fine, sir.
So you're the one that fixed my car.
Yes, sir.
Wow, you did a very great job.
Thank you, sir.
So what you did?
Yes, sir.
You collected the oil, right?
Yes, sir.
It's okay, I understand. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
But you did a good job. You did a good job.
Okay.
Give me a handshake. Don't worry. Next time when I come here, I owe you something. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
you can go.
You're don't killing me.
Come. Sir, call me.
So you have the boss to steal my oil. Abi?
No.
You don't know me.
Sorry,
You
no vex.
stop.
I know
You
say
steal
na
from
your
the police
ear.
officer. Just wait for me here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Rich watch and cup of tea, oh. Funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea. He went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting. But he hopes another defeat day he will learn.
No, na me fuck up.
You watch that video? You watch am? You don't watch am? Ah, get wetin I want you do for me. Everywhere where red dey, punch am down. Bring it down. Punch red as you dey watch. Like and subscribe. Comment. Abeg, even though I no funny you, abeg try for me. I say make you try for me. Now you are the thought to oga.